Good morning, traders. It's Thursday, August 11th, and here is OptionsXO's London Session Daily Review. Asian markets were hit yesterday by sentiment emanating from the U.S. on rising oil inventories. The yen was up on an impressive increase in Japan's service industry index. Inflation there is down, though, as the producer price index declined by nearly 4%. And New Zealand lowered its interest rate by 0.25% to 2%. U.S. data yesterday showed a $113 billion budget deficit, down 24% from the same period last year. And the labor market conditions index rose by 1% after dropping nearly 2% in June. Annual GDP is expected to grow by 1% if this coming quarter meets expectations for a 3% growth. And in Europe, Freedom Party demonstrators are marching to leave the EU in Maastricht, the birthplace of the current European Union. Leader Geert Wilders says he will steer the Netherlands out of the Union if he wins elections in March, against a backdrop of rising immigration fears. In the UK, last night's housing price index showed a disappointing 5%, a third of June's 16%. Crude oil is steady around the $41 mark after dropping from $43 following yesterday's Energy Administration report. The verdict, a 1 million barrel build. Events today include consumer price indexes from France and Italy at 8 a.m. GMT, followed by jobless claims from the U.S. alongside import and export price indexes for July, all these at 12:30 p.m. At 1:30, Britain releases its leading economic indicator for July, and at 10 to midnight, foreign investments in Japan. Finally, at 2 a.m. tomorrow, retail sales, urban investments, and industrial production in China. That's all for now. We'll be back with our pre-New York session report later on today. Happy trading.